What's up, guys? Welcome back to Too Slow to Catch. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell notification. Damn, my brother went all out on this sick ass wheels on his SCATPACk. I'll show y'all once I get there. Stay tuned though. Alright guys, I just pulled up to his house and this is how his SCATPACk look. Give me a second. There's his scat. Look at the wheels he has on right now. And I'm gonna see his transformation in a little bit. Damn it, guys. Damn, guys. I'll show you in a little bit once the wheels are all set up. Stay tuned though. Damn it, guys. Swapping the wheels right now, look. Taking the wheels off. New one's coming in a little bit. I'll get back at y'all in a little bit. Yo, comment down below if they're sick or not. Comment down below. They're freaking killing it. Damn it, guys. Look at that. Damn, guys. Here's the old ones. Compare the old ones to the new ones. Damn, damn it, guys. It's going down, guys. Rims already installed. Nah, it fits good, guys. Damn it, boy.
Fucking clean, nigga. Really, the fucking look at one.
Damn it, guys. Yo, comment down below what you think about it. There's no sets of wheels, just rear, front coming soon though. Damn, guys, it looks so sick. Damn it, guys. That's a wrap, guys. Comment down below what y'all think about the new wheels on the SCATPACk. Don't forget to comment.